Welcome back. Professional traders rarely watch just one chart. In this lesson, we'll turn Noroview into a full multi-chart desk. Several markets and timeframes at once, linked together and saved, so you can reload your whole setup in a single click. Let's build it. Up here is the layout menu. Click it and you get 11 arrangements. From a single chart to 2 columns or rows, 3s and 4s, a 2x2 grid, and mixed layouts like one big chart plus 2 or 3 smaller ones. I'll pick the 2x2 grid. Now I've got 4 independent charts. Each empty pane just asks you to choose a symbol. So I can watch Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP side by side, each on its own interval and chart type. Every pane is a fully independent Noroview chart. See this option at the bottom, or open a new window? That pops the focus chart out into its own separate browser window, carrying its symbol and interval and chart type. Drag that window to a second monitor and you've got a true multi-screen setup, all still driven by Noroview's single server connection, so it stays fast. That's how you scale from one screen to a full wall of charts. Here's the feature that makes a multi-chart layout genuinely powerful. Symbol link groups. Hover a pane's corner and you get its controls. Click the link icon and you can drop this chart into one of 4 colored groups: amber, blue, violet, or green. Any charts in the same color change symbol together. So I'll put these 2 into the blue group. Now watch. When I change the symbol on one of them, the other one follows instantly. Why is that so useful? Because you can build a group, a 1-minute, a 5-minute, and a footprint view of the same coin. Flip to a new market once, and all 3 retune together. Meanwhile, any pane you leave unlinked stays on its own market. It's the fastest way to analyze one symbol from several angles. 2 more per pane tricks. Maximize temporarily blows one chart up to fill the whole grid so you can focus. Hit restore and your layout snaps back untouched, and you can rearrange panes by grabbing the drag handle. Drop one chart onto another to swap their spots. Build the arrangement your eyes like. Now the payoff. Save the whole thing as a workspace. Click Workspaces, give it a name. I'll call this one Scalping Desk, and save. A workspace captures your entire desk. The layout, every symbol, every chart type and setting, your indicators and your drawings, even across multiple windows. Come back tomorrow, click open, and your exact setup is back in one click. As you tweak things, you can hit Update Current to resave. And you can rename or delete workspaces from the list. Build one desk for scalping, another for swing analysis, another for a specific coin, and switch between them instantly. Just note that the number of saved workspaces depends on your plan, and those limits can change. Right next to Workspaces is the Chart Templates tab, and it's a different idea. A chart template saves just the look of a chart, its settings and type, but not the symbol. So you can perfect your footprint styling once and save it as a template. Then apply that exact look to any coin you load. Workspaces save your whole desk. Chart templates save a reusable style you drop onto any market. One last thing. In your account settings, there's a restore-last-workspace toggle. Unbed by default. It reopens your most recent desk automatically every time you launch Noroview, so you're always right where you left off. Turn it off if you'd rather start fresh. We'll tour all the settings in the profile lesson. So, pick a layout, link charts into colored groups so they move together, maximize and swap to taste, and save the whole desk as a workspace. Plus chart templates for reusable styling. That's your professional multi-chart setup. Next lesson, we get creative. So, every drawing tool in Noroview and how to configure them. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you there.